Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is a snake plant that I accidentally picked up from outside on the street. When I brought it home, the plant was in very poor condition. Yellow leaves, a weak root system, slow growth, and almost no vitality left. Many people would think that plants like this can only be thrown away. But in today's video, I will share with you a simple method to revive the snake plant and bring it back to a healthy, lush green state. The special thing is that we only use very easy to find ingredients, low-cost materials, and everything can be done right at home. If you are new to growing plants, do not forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you do not miss simple yet effective plant care, growing, and propagation tips. Let us get started. First, remove these rotten leaves. Removing them will help prevent the rot from spreading to the healthy parts of the plant, while also helping the plant focus nutrients on restoring the root system and growing healthier new leaves. In addition, promptly removing damaged leaves helps improve overall air circulation around the plant and reduces the buildup of excess moisture, an environment that is highly favorable for the development of fungal diseases. Next, wash the plant under clean running water. Gently wash away all the old soil, dirt residue, and impurities still attached to the roots. This will help the root system become more aerated, make it easier to inspect damaged roots that need treatment, and create favorable conditions for the plant to recover and grow healthily after replanting. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, place the plant in a dry, cool, and well-ventilated area to dry naturally. This will help the plant stabilize after the pruning and root washing process, help the cut wounds dry faster, reduce the risk of rot, and create favorable conditions for the roots to recover before replanting. While waiting, I will prepare a solution to clean and help disinfect the plant. Here I am using cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Many gardeners often use it to help protect plants from harmful agents, while also helping cut wounds on the plant dry faster and reducing the risk of rot. Prepare a clean glass cup. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to the cup. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to help the compounds in the cinnamon powder dissolve and diffuse into the solution more effectively. After that, use a spoon to stir well so the cinnamon powder disperses evenly in the water, helping the extraction process occur better. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for about 1 hour so the nutrients and natural compounds from the cinnamon powder can infuse into the water before being used on the plant. While waiting, I will prepare the growing medium for planting. First, wear gloves to protect your hands while working. Next, prepare 50% potting soil. Soil contains many essential minerals and organic matter that help provide nutrients for the plant during growth. After that, prepare 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir has excellent moisture retention, helping the roots always have sufficient moisture while also creating looseness and aeration for the growing medium. Use a clean pot, then add the coconut coir and soil together and mix the two materials thoroughly. This will help create a loose growing medium with good drainage while still retaining the moisture necessary for healthy root development. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. That is it. We have finished preparing the growing medium mixture for planting. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled completely, I use a strainer to remove the cinnamon powder residue, keeping only the pure liquid. This filtering will make the solution clearer and reduce residue sticking to the stem, leaves, and roots during use. This liquid is what we will use for disinfection. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the cinnamon solution. That's it. We've obtained the concentrated solution to use for the plants. Once the plant has dried naturally, gently place the entire root system and plant base into the prepared cinnamon solution. This will help clean the root surface, support disinfection, and reduce the growth of harmful mold or bacteria. At the same time, the cinnamon powder solution also helps the cut wounds on the roots and stem dry faster, creating favorable conditions for the plant to recover before being planted into new growing medium. Use a soft cotton pad soaked in the cinnamon powder solution, then gently wipe both sides of the snake plant leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, residue, and impurities accumulated on the leaf surface, making the leaves cleaner and shinier. At the same time, clean leaves absorb light better, supporting photosynthesis and helping the plant grow more healthily. Soak the plant for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the plant from the cinnamon solution. Use a soft towel or clean paper to gently dry the remaining water on the leaf surfaces. This will help keep the leaves dry and airy, reduce dust accumulation, and lower the risk of fungal diseases caused by moisture remaining on the leaves for too long. Now comes the important step. Prepare a pot with drainage holes at the bottom, as shown in the video. These drainage holes allow excess water to easily flow out of the pot after watering. First, spread a thin layer of growing medium at the bottom of the pot. This layer will create a supportive base for the roots while helping the plant stand more firmly during planting. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot so the roots are spread evenly, the stem stands upright, and the plant is not leaning. Then add more growing medium on top and around the roots until the roots are fully covered. This layer of growing medium will help secure the plant, maintain necessary moisture, and create a favorable environment for healthy root growth. That means we have completed the replanting process of the snake plant. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. At this point, place the plant in a dry, cool, and well-ventilated location, avoiding direct sunlight or areas with very intense light for 3 days. This will help the plant reduce stress after replanting, minimize water loss through the leaves, and create conditions for the root system to adapt to the new environment and recover better before entering a strong growth stage. After 3 days, once the plant has stabilized, we will prepare a natural nutrient solution to support recovery and growth. Here I am using oats. Oats contain small amounts of minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, along with many natural organic compounds. Prepare a clean glass cup. Then add 3 tablespoons of oats. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to help the nutrients and natural compounds in the oats extract into the water more effectively. Use a spoon to stir the mixture well. Stirring helps the oats contact the hot water better, speeds up the dissolving process, and helps the nutrients distribute evenly in the solution. Finally, cover the cup tightly and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. Keeping it covered helps maintain stable heat, prevents dust from falling into the solution, and creates favorable conditions for the nutrients in the oats to be extracted into the water more effectively before being used on the plant. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled completely, I use a strainer to remove the oat residue, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. Filtering out the residue makes the solution clearer and easier to use while reducing sediment sticking to the roots or clogging watering cans and spray bottles during plant care. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That is it. Pour this oat solution into a specialized watering bottle. Then gently water around the base of the snake plant. Watering with the oat solution helps provide a small amount of natural nutrients to the growing medium, supporting stronger root development and helping the plant recover well after repotting. In addition, the oatmeal solution helps improve beneficial microbial activity in the soil, creating a more stable environment around the root zone. This allows the roots to absorb water and nutrients more easily, thereby speeding up the plant's recovery process. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. Then gently mist the entire stem, leaves, and root area of the snake plant. Using the oat solution helps provide a small amount of natural nutrients to the plant, supports recovery after repotting, helps the leaves maintain a healthy green color, and creates favorable conditions for the root system to develop more steadily. When used regularly, the plant will grow better and maintain a fresh, vibrant appearance. Results. After 2 months of consistently applying this method, the snake plant has shown clear changes. From a plant that seemed impossible to save, with a weak root system and reduced vitality, it has now recovered strongly and is growing healthier every day. New leaves continue to appear, becoming thicker, stronger, and showing a vibrant green color full of life. The root system has also developed strongly, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. From a poorly growing snake plant, it has now become a lush, healthy, and vibrant potted plant, contributing beauty to the living space every day. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to support us. Thank you for taking the time to watch. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.